We're back at the house putting the windows in. Mike and Bryce are putting the foam on the top of the windows where there's a settling area. And we got these windows so we can put them in and get ourselves out of the cold and the wind. The area above the window provides a settling area for the logs to come down, and the foam closes off the gap. These are Sierra Pacific wood frame windows with aluminum clad on the outside and a vinyl sandwich in the middle. They're a very good window. All the window bucks are installed. And we're ready to put the windows in. The slots have been cut for the frame walls to go in. These are the trim slots for the frame walls that get installed against the logs. And all the logs have been buffed and sanded. Sadie, hey buddy. John just showed up, so he'll be happy to see the windows here. We took a lunch break, and this morning we got some windows in. These are nice wood frame, aluminum clad Sierra Pacific, the H3 window. Kitchen window. We got the front windows in. We got the foam on the top of the windows. And we had a lunch break, so these boys are wanting me to go and get this window installed here in a minute. Let's walk outside and see what the first view of the outside looks like on these windows. They're like a beige color. They come in a lot of different color options, but it's a nice looking window. This is aluminum on the outside. This morning we're masking the windows to start the varnish process for the inside of the logs. The windows have been trimmed. We got some heat in here to get everything nice and warm. And we're masking the windows nice and carefully so that the varnish goes on the window frames and the trim, and of course not on the glass. The wall slots have been cut where the trim goes in. The frame wall goes right here, and trim on both sides of the frame wall. I've got the plant-based, water-based varnish being warmed up. It was already quite warm, but I like to get it nice and warm. It does a better job when it's really warm. This will get 4 coats of varnish. Over here, the boys are finishing the trim of the main room. Today we will also finish the loft floor. It's a 2x6 tongue and groove, which is the ceiling and the floor of this loft space. put plastic on the windows because those windows are not in yet. Foster get the masking on these windows and get the varnishing.